Welcome back, YouTube. Today y'all tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and today I'm doing some little something different today. So today I'm bringing y'all Sunday's best. Y'all might not see it on Sunday, but alright, so I got me a beef ribeye roast that I'm gonna be making up today. Kinda like you would do a prime rib. So what I'm gonna start off by doing is, so I got some vegetable oil here. I'm gonna paint on, kinda like just brush it on. Like so. Yes, I have the bone in, if anybody's wondering. So, since we got that painted I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salt on there, some kosher salt. I'm gonna go kinda a little heavy. Don't worry about the meat drying out. I got some fresh black peppercorn pepper. Okay, we just go flip it over. Here with some, we're gonna do this on all four sides. I got some garlic cloves here. I'm gonna stick this inside of the ribeye roast. So what I'm gonna do is go down it, do like ½ inch. I got my roaster pan here. So I got aluminum foil in the bottom of the pan to keep it help from sticking a lot. So I got some fresh rosemary here. And I got some fresh thyme. I'm just gonna put this in the pan. I'm on the side, one on top. So I'm gonna take some thyme and rosemary, break it up in this bowl with the butter. So check it out, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this butter across there. This gonna help it get that nice crust when we first put it in there. Alright, so I'm gonna put a thermometer in there because I don't want to be guessing the temperature. So I'm gonna go in the thickest part. So when we first start it off in the oven, we're gonna start it off on 425 for about 15 minutes. So we can get that nice crust on there that we like. Stay tuned. Alright, so you can see how we got that nice brown crust on there I was telling you guys about. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down to 325 until it get up to the temperature that I want. Stay tuned. Check it out. Woo, man, it smells amazing. So we're gonna let this baby rest for about 20 minutes right here, just on our cutting board. Stay tuned. Woo, that's money right there. Look at that baby. So the family, my family, they don't like it really pink, like you would normally cook it. So I cooked it to about 145, and it rose to about 152 after I let it set for 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do for them, because they don't like it super pink, I'm gonna put it in a frying skillet pan and go ahead and get it a little more well done for them, and get a little crust on there. Let's go over there, and matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. Show you guys. So I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. And we made a fabulous ribeye roast. I can't wait to dig into this. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.